Hello, Pete here with another vlog. Now today we're not going to look at any spectacular techniques, but what we are going to do is look at a spectacular set of cardstock. If you're anything like me, you probably go out and you buy your favourite cardstock, and I like that sort of linen pattern stuff. Anyway, you know what it's like? You go to order your favourite colour and it's not in stock, or you can't find it at your local store. Well, imagine having all of that cardstock in one place. And of course, that's what we've done here at Sizzix. This is our cardstock pack. There are 80 sheets, 20 different colours, and it's 216 GSM, which means it's perfect for die cutting, for folding, for making your base cards, for any boxes or bags or anything like that. Let's take a little look at it. So this is our card pack, as you can see. And what I'm going to do is just, let me take this backing off, so you can see all this gorgeous card inside. As I said, we've got 20 different colours, and there are 4 of each. That makes 80 pieces of cardstock. I'm just going to fan this out so you can get a better idea of how much there is and what gorgeous colours there are. I wish I was like one of those croupiers in Las Vegas and I could fan it across the table, but I'm not, sadly. But it's a great weight. That's what I love about this card. It's 216 gram. So whatever you're die cutting, whatever die you're using, it's going to cut beautifully every time. It also creases beautifully well, so if you want to make your base cards or bags and boxes, which we all love to do with our Sizzix dies. So, oh, that was quite a nice shot actually, wasn't it? There we are. So that's the card pack. Now I want to talk to you about the colours and the colour blends, because you might think that 20 colours is quite restrictive. So I'll just take that out of shot slightly and bring this in. Now, this is just examples of some of the colour blends. Some of them are obvious, some of them are quite contemporary and a little bit different. And it works through the seasons. So what I mean by that is, if we look at this colour swatch, and this is just using some of the colours from the pack. That's Valentine's. Then we've got Easter, and you can add other colours into this as well. Then we'll have a look. Oh, Halloween. There we are. We all love a bit of Halloween. And then next up, we've got Christmas, of course. But you can imagine with these colours, you can do something for a boy, or something for a girl, or for baby cards or anniversaries, anything. But the point is, from these 20 colours, you can do anything. And it's been very, very carefully put together. All you need to add to supplement this is your white, your ivory card, and any metallics that you've got. And it is great to have all those colours in one place. And as I said, you don't have to be frustrated about a certain colour being out of stock at any one time. You've always got them there close to hand. Now, going back to these, let's put these back in order again. Valentine's. Here's a card that I made, just a quick card using that colour palette. So there's some die cut hearts you can see there. There's a happy Valentine's. Now let's go from Valentine's to Easter, and this one again is using die cut flowers, as you can see there, a little gem in the center. So it's the same format of card, but obviously we're changing up the colors, changing the dies we've used. So then we come around to Halloween, and how different is that to the ones that went before? Obviously it's the same format card, but by changing the motif and changing the colours, we've got a completely different effect. And again, just to reiterate, these are all from the same pack. And finally, of course, Christmas is a time we make so many cards, so many boxes, bags, different makes, tags as well. And there's another one there using some of the Christmas colour palette. And as I said, you can introduce other colours to that as well. So that's just 4 cards using those swatches in particular. Now, if we have a look at these in a bit more detail, I've created some mini cards and they're all the same. So let's take this one in the top left hand corner. That's a card made using just a heart. This is one of our hearts primitive. It's a big die. There are 3 hearts on that die. Very, very popular down the years, that one. So then the next one is this. Again, you can see same dies, same colorways, everything, using the gems as well. But a very different effect, quite a classy color combination, that one. Then the third one, top right-hand corner, you can see this lovely, it's sort of halfway house between an orange and a yellow, almost a mustardy type color there. Works beautifully against the pink and that brown there. Then next up, we're gonna go with this is one of my favorites, especially bringing in this lovely warm gray. You see there with the brown and the pink, some lovely contrast there. Next up, this one, that teal knockout against the red, and again bringing that sort of dark, deep, rich brown in there. That's a perfect foil to the other two colors. Third one, this is one of my favorite combinations, this pink with the teal and that green. Gorgeous, gorgeous little card there, lovely little notelets. Then, now this one in particular, because it's a very unlikely combination, but it does work, bringing in that dark brown again. It's not too rich, it's not too red that it's going to compete with the other two colors, so it kind of sits there in the background as a neutral. Next up, now this is a color palette that we used for some of our winter makes a few years back. This purple, and again that mustard color and the teal. I love that combination. Great autumnal or even winter palette there. And last but not least, this one, the yellow against that lovely muted green. There are about 3 or 4 different shades of green within the pack, and that one works particularly well. So there we have it. There's, just to say once more, we've got 20 colors, 80 sheets, so that's 4 of each. And as you can see from these cards, the combinations are endless, absolutely gorgeous. It's a set for all seasons. So, and that's it. Thank you very much. See you again soon. Well, I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. Just taking a look at some of those colours, how they blend together. Absolutely fabulous. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to know more, if you want more inspiration, then go to sizzix.co.uk, or you can even download our app. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.